at 0007. Okay, and news was released last week and today. Okay, if we look at EVSV now. Okay, we just had news this morning. Okay, and it announces a new target acquisition. Okay, agreement in place to commence discussions. So you have two back-to-back news. Okay, I posted this yesterday on the weekly watch list. If you want to try to get into this stock, I posted a chart over here. Okay, this chart is showing that you have good support and you may break this wedge. You could see this stock hit a high of 10 or 12. Okay, if you want to scalp the trade, place your bids at 6, 7, possibly 8. Okay, for potential move to 10. Okay, scalping ranges for some people, depending on PDT issues. Just be aware of that. Okay, usually when you scalp, you want to put a substantial amount of money so you can trade that stock for a nice 2 to 3 pip scalp. All right, so just be aware that EVSV had news. What we're looking for is a close above this this right here, downtrend resistance right here. If we break above this on 2 consecutive closes, then we'll break that downtrend. Okay, so we just received news. Okay, let me just read that news for you. Okay, Inc. announces new target acquisition agreement in place to commence discussions. Okay, a growing company in the commercial and residential property maintenance industry announces today that it has received a signed confidentiality agreement and has commenced discussions to acquire its latest target company. So it has a catalyst. Okay, they're signing an agreement, but it hasn't been finalized. So just bear that in mind. It's pretty much a letter of intent. Okay, if I were to be trading this stock, okay, what I would do is I would keep my stop close below this 0006. Okay, so if the stock closes below 0006 on 2 consecutive closes, I would stop out just to minimize risk, and then I would look for that 5 support. Look how well that 5 support is. You have to stay diligent and pretty disciplined on these stops. I know people haven't been using them, so just be aware that that's part of RSP strategy, is to utilize the stop. Okay, another one that just posted news is AMEL. We talked about this last night. AMEL news could break the 20-day moving average here on a big contract news, July 28. Okay, Mera Lithium Corp signs letter of intent to acquire an energy business with $6 million in annual revenues. Okay, so people see the $6 million, and people will jump on the stock. Okay, if I were to be buying this stock right now, I'm looking at a bid. I got the let me just post this real quick. Give me 1 second. Okay, you got it's at 15. It's at 16 by 19. I wouldn't rush to buy this, but just watch how the level 2 forms. Okay, what kind of a bid it has. But if you break this 0.002 level, okay, you could test this 25 to 30 range. Okay, so this is pretty much the buy zone area. What I would do is I would keep my stop close. So if you get in at 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, I would stop close below this 15 level on 2 consecutive closes, because then it could go back down to 10, 13 range. All right, so just bear that in mind. Right, they posted news right at these bottoms, so people have been accumulating here at these buy zones. Depending on what type of MM is on the ask, okay, you want to utilize your stops. The higher you get in, let's say you get in at 0.002, 0.0019, okay, adjust your stops. Move those stops a little bit higher so you guys can minimize risk. Okay, these are scalps. These are scalps. They're a little bit more, a little bit more risky, but with the news, you could see a nice little pop in the AM. All right, so these are the stocks that we're looking at. Okay. All right, so with that said, I will let you guys go. Good luck in the trading market, and I'll talk to you guys all later.